Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to transfer data from your Vivo phone to your Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on both devices and in the search bar, just search this. Now just make sure you install this app on both devices. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone, and once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on continue and tap on more. Now just tap on continue. From here, just give this app these permissions. Now just tap on settings. Now from here, just enable this toggle. Now once you do that, just go back and tap on settings. Now from here, just enable this toggle. Now once you do that, just go back. Now just tap on settings. Now from here, just enable this toggle. Now just tap on let's go. Now from here, you have two options to connect your device to transfer your data. You can select the wireless option or you can select the wired option. I will select the wireless option. Now from here on your Samsung phone, just select receive on this phone. Now from here, just select the OS of your old device. If your old device is an iPhone, just select iPhone. And if your old device is a Samsung phone or any other Android phone, just select Android. Now from here, just tap on wireless. Now with your Vivo phone, just scan this QR code on your Samsung phone. Just like that. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now from here, just select the data you want to transfer. If you want to transfer everything from your Vivo phone to your Samsung phone, just select everything. Or if you want to transfer your contacts, accounts, calls, and messages, just select this option. Or if you want to transfer specific data, just select custom. Now just tap on next. Now from here, just select the data you want to transfer. For an example, I will transfer the images. And if you want to transfer the settings, the apps, and the messages, just select these options. Just like that. Now once you select the data you want to transfer, just tap on transfer. Now as you can see, the data has been transferred successfully. Now just tap on done. From here, just tap on next and tap on done. Now if you go to your home screen and open the gallery app, you will find the data we have just transferred. Just like that. And this is how you can transfer data from any Vivo phone to your Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.